Well, through some real innovation, a Sherrard man is making sure that his ducks and birds are able to stay hydrated this winter. Jason Noble built what he calls an ice volcano in his yard. He's actually done it for the past 26 years, and this year the water is shooting higher than ever. Local 4's Ryan Risky shows us how Noble is able to keep the water from freezing in these frigid temperatures.
Jason Noble has lived in Sherrard for the past 26 years. In the summer, he is a landscaper, and in the winter, he plows snow. This has given him an interest in the great outdoors. He built this small waterfall, and despite how cold it is, he still maintains it in the winter so the water shoots up.
Pretty much I got it going for my ducks and geese, and it just lasted throughout the cold weather right now, and it seems like it's just holding up pretty good as long as I add a little bit of salt to it every day. Because I wanted to make sure it lasts all winter so my ducks and geese get water.
One of the most difficult things for Noble is to find a way to keep the water from freezing.
Just by keeping the movement of the water, kind of like the Mississippi of the current, by the pump moving, it's just making it keep moving and keep it from freezing just by doing that. As soon as you turn off that pump, it's going to freeze quick, especially as cold as it is right now.
The majority of the maintenance is for cleaning the filter so that the water can continue to flow. This is video from Friday with the water struggling to burst. However, despite the sub-zero temperatures on this given day, the water is shooting higher than it ever has before in the winter.
It's doing that a lot right now because it's lacking water at the bottom of the pump, so it's making it shoot higher, which I need to work on that to keep it from freezing, and then it should get it to settle down a little bit more, but it's pretty much almost like a volcano erupting.
In Sherrard, Ryan Risky, Fox 18 News.
Really impressive stuff. And Noble tells us it's quick and easy to build it after the land is dug up with a tractor. Well, speaking of the great outdoors,